noise.
Let's go.
Yo, can we make some noise for Brazy?
Find your way. She told me. Alaji.
You guys, this is one of the biggest songs to come out of Africa.
Thanks.
Take a listen to this one. Are you